help you determine which measure of sensors you're going to use to make comparisons. If you have different comparative inferences based on each measure of sensor, you can draw a conclusion about the situation by looking more closely at the data set. For example, if there's no stray data value, then you want to use the mean. What this means is when your data values are close together within your set, you can use the mean or the average of your data. But if you have stray data values, so meaning a data value that lies outside the normal set of data, use the median as the number that you're going to make your comparative inference. For example, a book publisher is testing two versions of a new book. A random sample of people is given 30 minutes to read each version. Using the data, what might the publisher conclude about this version? Well, if we look at version A, the median or middle number is 25, whereas the mean is about 24 4/10. With the median for version B is 23, and the mean is about 23 7/10. In this case, for the version B, the median and the mean are closely related. Because these two numbers are so closely related, we can go ahead and infer that version B is an easier to read or a quicker read version than version A, because version A varies more between the median and the mean. So we see here the difference between the median and the mean is greater than the difference between the median and the mean for version B. Therefore, we can say that version B